day back ago that we are having the mantra meditation circles. So keep chanting this mantra. In the last session, I discussed a small story also that if you read any spiritual wisdom, if you read any spiritual scripture, that you are not able to desire the benefit, the purpose, then it all goes in vain. It's simply just what we say is we became hookworm. So therefore this meditation is very much helpful. So we'll discuss the next session today, substance and shadow. Okay, so thank you for coming for this session. So we have till now our journey has covered many things. Let's see. In session 1 we discussed inferential logic of existence of God. Session 2 we discussed there are 3 ways of gaining knowledge about God. Pratyaksha Praman, next was anyone remembers? Anuman Praman, Shabda Praman. We discussed there are more defects also, imperfect senses, to illusion, commit mistakes, cheating propensity, and session 3 also we discussed about the Vedas in details and how the faith in Vedas is not blind faith, it's reasonable faith. Session 4 we discussed about 3 types of bodies, characteristics of soul, and about reincarnation we discussed that. So last time many of you asked very nice questions and there were very good questions like, if we are soul, then where do we come from? Where is the soul coming from? And why the soul is here? So these questions will be addressed today in our session and definitely you will get to know about much more deep things. So today's session is going to be a little bit technical also and very informative also. That things that might not have been heard by you previously. So today we will cover these things. Real problems of life, threefold miseries, we will cover patch of solutions which we do, the real solution, and spiritual world versus material world. By the way, someone asked about it feedback form, what is spiritual world? So definitely you will get to know today. So I discussed, right, the characteristics of soul. So can any one of you raise a hand and tell what are the characteristics of soul? Soul is Sat, eternal, and Chit means full of knowledge, and Anand, it's full of bliss. Okay? So let's take this word Anand. Soul is full of bliss. That means bliss is different than happiness, my friend. What we discover. Happiness is something, I am happy. But what happens when you are in bliss? Like when you are in bliss, you start dancing. Oh my God, something miraculous has happened in my life. Like when Archimedes, when he discovered the buoyant force, and he was like he was in a bathroom, and he was in a bliss. He just started dancing and running out. It was a really moment of miracle for him. So the soul is always in that condition. It's not like ये soul के साथ कभी-कभी होता है, क्षण भर के लिए. Soul is every moment full of bliss actually, condensed form of Anand. But the question is, we are soul, but it's not happening with us. अभी तो आनंद वैसा नहीं महसूस हो रहा. अभी तो सुख के लिए इतनी जद्दोजहद कर रहे हैं कि सुख प्राप्त हो सके, इतनी सारी चीजें प्लान कर रहे हैं, बट वो आनंद कैसे मिलेगा सोल को? तो वो आनंद क्यों नहीं मिल रहा, पहले उसके ऊपर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि सोल क्यों आनंद में नहीं है, why it is not in bliss. So you can see in this slide something called problem. So actually soul is facing a lot of problems here in this world. A lot of challenges. And आपने सुना भी होगा कि problem is now the second name of this world. My friend, you have to deal with it. कुछ नहीं कर सकते. संघर्ष का नाम ही जिंदगी है ना? ऐसे ऐसे कोर्स वाले पढ़े हुए हैं ऐसे बहुत सारे. तो problems तो बहुत सारे हैं. मतलब what to speak of problems. You know, once there was a story, a husband and wife, they were arguing in a court before a judge. The husband was lawyer and he was saying, my son should be a lawyer. My son should become a lawyer in the future. And the wife was a doctor. She was saying, no, 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 मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर बनेगा, मेरा बेटा MBBS ही करेगा, वो लॉ नहीं करेगा. They are fighting, no, no, lawyer, wife, no, doctor, lawyer, doctor, no. Judge was really confused. Judge simply asked them, okay, let's settle the argument. Let's ask your son what he wants to become. And both of them looked at the judge and they said, but our son isn't born yet. Fighting, problems. There are many problems. Just like once a husband and wife. So the husband asked his wife, I am like a problematic figure for you. I am a problem personified. I shout on you, I ask you for things, I मतलब continuously परेशान करता रहता हूँ. But I see you, तुम इतनी शांत हो, तुम कभी मुझ पर चिल्लाती नहीं, कभी मुझसे झगड़ा नहीं किया. Why so? ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा कैसे? Why? How you are so peaceful? The wife says, no, no, no. I'm not in any hurry. Whenever you do something like this, I just go and clean the toilet. Simple. The husband said, but how cleaning the toilet makes you so peaceful? The wife said, no, no, I just use your toothbrush. Nothing else. So problems, fighting with each other, problems between husband and wife, problems in homes, problems from homes to nations, problems from individuals to communities. Everywhere there are problems. So before going into the problems of this whole material world, let us just discuss what is a problem. Problem है क्या? So it's a simple thing. Let's see. So problem is something which we don't want, but we get it. Nobody wants problems. So आप में से कभी इसने देखा? One who is going to an office, going for a job because he wants to suffer. Everyone goes because he wants to do some arrangement for his happiness, right? And something which we want, but when we don't get it, it's a problem for us. मुझे चाहिए था, मुझे मिला नहीं. Someone wanted to get into IIT. Someone wanted to get into doctor, but they didn't get it. Someone wanted a particular course in DU, but they didn't get it. So it's a problem. So problems are always there with all of us. But let's see, are they real or relative problems? Because not every problem is same problem. Okay, let me ask all of you, which problems you have seen in life currently those exist? Yes, anyone? Like pollution. Pollution is a problem in Delhi. It's a big problem. When I came to Delhi from Punjab, it's like total scenario change. I started feeling in the morning there was fog in the month of June. I was, ये कहाँ से हुआ? Pollution. Any else problems?
Professors have problems.
Professors are problems for students. Yeah. Anything else? Corruption is there. Corruption is the problem. Good. Anything else? What? Yes, yes. Any else problems? Less problems? Maybe exams are also problems. When they will be coming? Come on, exams? September. Okay. Oh, December. Okay. Problems will be coming in the favor also. Okay, so there are many problems, just like we told, pollution, environmental problems, climatic problems, problems related to personal life, problems related to families, nations. So problems are existing, but all problems are not same, right? So we are going to discuss what are real and what are relative problems. So what is a real problem? That is actually the main issue that we want to discuss. Just like this is a girl and she is not able to find out the value of x, the mathematics problem. Maybe she didn't know the division. But this is a problem for only a student till he is in school. Or maybe he does not know the division, mathematical division. But after one graduates from school or college, it is no more a problem. मतलब आप लोग स्कूल जाओ तो आप तो पढ़ा सकते हो बच्चों को because you have passed out from school. So actually it was a problem, but it was a relative problem because it was depending on the time, the place, and the circumstance. At that circumstance, you were not aware of the concept. At that place, you were not fully trained. At that time, you were not fully mature also about that. So problems that change with time, place, and circumstance, they are actually relative problems. But the problems which do not change, which were existing, which are existing, and which will be existing, that is actually a real problem. So these are the characteristics of a real problem. The actual real problem क्या होती है? It is common to all. Just like someone said, कि professors are problem for all of us. But for professors, who is the problem? Students are the problem, right? जैसे students बात नहीं मानते, इतना पढ़ाते हैं, इतने करवाते हैं, but बात नहीं मानते. So this problem is not common. So ऐसी कोई problem के बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा जो कि common है सबके लिए. Student, professor, anyone. That is the real problem. And no one wants it. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि जो किसको चाहिए नहीं. No one can avoid it also. That means it must come to everyone. Everyone must be facing that problem, and he cannot avoid it. So this is what the Shastras say, the first real problem. Birth. Birth is a real problem. How come? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. That is a celebration day, sir. How is it a problem? But just suppose you were all in Corona, right? So you were locked down for how many months? At least a year you were locked down, right? And it was a terrible thing, I hope, because you were not able to go outside, you were not able to meet people, you were not able to even do some particular activities. But in Corona, at least you are locked down in your home. But suppose you are locked down in a packet. एक पैकेट है जिसके अंदर आपको बंद कर दिया गया और उस पैकेट को सील कर दिया गया. And in that packet, you are sealed for 9 months. 9 months you were sealed for that. And also, in that packet only, you are doing everything. That means in that packet for 9 months you are eating, you are passing everything in only that packet. And not that also, in that packet there are bacteria who are torturing your body. Because when the mother eats some pungent material, उस तीखा खाती है जब mother, then वो जो bacteria है वो directly affect करते हैं. Now are you able to relate how birth is a problem? It's such a misery that somehow by God's mercy we have been able to forget it. If we remember this period, 9 months की ऐसी suffering, it's more torture than any of the present jails currently. जैसे काला कुआं का नाम सुना आपने? काला पानी, right? It was a most torturous jail, and similarly Hitler also tortured, but no one had been tortured like this. But actually, all of us were tortured like this, but we didn't realize it. But Shastra says this is the real problem which a soul suffers whenever he takes birth. And we went through this actually. So this is birth. We were packed very tightly and that too upside down. ऐसा नहीं था कि पैकेट ऐसे ही बांधा गया था. उल्टे थे हम. Tilted. Then next problem Shastra says that a soul in this material world faces the problem of death. And in Garuda Purana, it is mentioned, sir also mentioned this last time, that the pain of death is equal to 40,000 scorpions, 40,000 bichu, biting you at the same time. By the way, any one of you have been bitten before? Not yet? Good. Tata? That is also common. But not common to all. But death is like this. Everyone will face death. No one can say they will not die. And that problem will come. That pain will come. And scriptures say all souls have to experience this problem of death. Yes. We are in this material world. And these problems will be faced by us. That is after you understand about the concept of spiritual world and material world. Then you can find out the real solution of all these problems. But let's see the next problem, old age. No one wants to become old, right? But they have to become old. Krishna says in Gita, Kalavasmi, about 50 years, I am time in the 11th chapter. So we see that earlier, अगर आप अपनी फोटो ही देख लो कभी, जब आप छोटे थे, you were very cute. Now someone might, okay, but maybe let's see after 20 or 30 or 40 years, what you will be. And after 10, 20 more years, you will be maybe someone may be carrying a stick or someone may be in a wheelchair, someone in bed. But no one wants that. Does someone want to be in that situation? No, pathetic. I have seen, you all have seen your grandmothers, how problem they face. It's so pathetic. Let's see a short video.
Most people spend their lives wrapped up in rushing to and fro. As time flows quickly by, months and years rush away. Yet for some reason, people try to ignore this fact. It is as if they think they will never grow old. Yet the days of youth, that they so often imagine will never end, are really very short. Everyone realizes that it will grow old one day. Yet young people always feel that those days are very far off. They refuse to accept that they will one day be old and helpless. Time destroys everything. That is the law of the world. For example, a sweet, delicious and perfumed orange eventually decay.
This is how time acts. This is the orange. Time has to
And after the rot in a very short time. Human beings
Yes, so old age everyone has to face. Everyone, our skin changes gradually with time. So Krishna says, with time everyone will get old actually. So this is a problem. You know this? Who is this boxer? Muhammad Ali, right? The famous boxer. वर्ल्ड हेवीवेट बॉक्सिंग चैंपियन मोहम्मद अली, इसका बड़ा फेमस कोट है। यहाँ रिंग में आने से पहले ये चिल्लाता था हमेशा, आई एम द ग्रेटेस्ट। इट वाज लाइक पंच लाइन मोहम्मद अली, आई एम द ग्रेटेस्ट, आई एम द ग्रेटेस्ट। एंड दिस इज मोहम्मद अली लेटर ऑन। ही वाज सफरिंग फ्रॉम पार्किंसन डिजीज। पार्किंसन डिजीज पता है मेरे किसी को क्या होता है? In Parkinson disease, he can't even lift his cup of coffee. और ये वही मोहम्मद अली है जिसका एक गुस्सा सुना देता था सबको। So this is how we see. Our next problem, disease. Everyone faces this problem. The disease are inevitable. No one knew that corona would came. It came. People were not even aware earlier that cancer exists, but cancer also came. So many diseases are coming also. But disease have been there in this material world. This is a part of the problems which were existing, which are existing, and which will be existing. Birth, death, old age, and disease. And Krishna says these problems, these in Bhagavad Gita, if you read, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukha Doshana Dushya, that a person who is wise, who is in knowledge, actually knows the problems of life. They are the birth, Janma, Mrityu, death, Jara, old age, and Vyadhi, disease. पर कोई ये भी कह सकता है, birth तो starting में था, अब तो ले लिया, अब तो problem नहीं है कुछ, death आनी है, जब आनी है देखा जाएगा, old age तो अभी हुए नहीं है, अभी तो जवान है, और disease भी ठीक ठाक है, अभी भी कुछ बीमार नहीं है। मतलब मेरा थोड़ा थ्रोट अभी खराब है, तो आपको मेरी वॉइस से ही पता लग रहा होगा, बट आप लोग की हेल्थ ठीक है। सो अभी क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट शास्त्र सेज कि मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में एक बोनस पैकेज है प्रॉब्लम्स का, इन चार के अलावा देयर आर 3 काइंड्स ऑफ मिजरीज आल्सो व्हिच आर एक्जिस्टिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड। लेट्स सी व्हाट दीस 3 मिजरीज आर। बट फर्स्ट इज कॉल्ड आध्यात्मिक क्लेश। इस वर्ल्ड के अंदर आध्यात्मिक क्लेश है। What are these? Simple Sanskrit, आध्यात्मिक means miseries due to क्लेश means miseries. So miseries due to our body and mind. These are the problems. The whole world, it is being studied in statistically that most problems, the most disease are not actually physical. They are actually mental today. Most diseases are related to stress, depression, anxiety are due to the mind. In fact, in America, this is a big industry. The 2 famous industries of America, do you know? The first is therapy. Therapists are very common in America. They book their appointment for their therapist. My therapist appointment is there. I will have to go. So they live with them, please. So, and the second thing is lawyers. Lawyers are very famous in America because so many divorces are happening. Relationship problems. So misery is due to our body and mind. And we showed you slide also, you remember, right? In America, you can't be sure when you return to your home that you'll find your wife. So this is the problem. So the first thing is adhyatmic klesh. Anyone will face this problem with his body and his mind. And you all will face this problem in maybe in November, December when exams will come. Your mind will start to say, सो जा, कल कर लेंगे, एक दिन में 2 घंटे बैठ के। नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, द नेक्स्ट क्लेश इज आदि भौतिक क्लेश। मिजरी इज ड्यू टू अदर लिविंग एंटिटीज। बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स हैं, टेररिस्ट, इसके अलावा भी many people, sometimes friends also, खून चूसने वाला फ्रेंड है वो एकदम से दूर रहा। So many other people, they also create a problem. For Ukraine, the whole Russia was a problem. So miseries due to other living entities are existing, due to which we have to face suffering. No one wanted in Ukraine, or no one even expected like this condition which they are facing today. But this is Adi Klash, it will happen. And the third is Adi Klash, tsunami, disaster, natural calamities which we face and which wipe out so many things. So these kleshas, they are existing. So birth, old age, these are the problems. And a wise man asks, why am I suffering? मैंने किया क्या है जो ये प्रॉब्लम्स मुझे झेलनी पड़ रही है? आप लोगों को लगता है कि you wanted to become old? Do you want to become old? No, we want to be youthful, energetic, always to do more things. We want to actually live forever. No one wants to die. Let death come. No one wants to die actually. Because let's say suddenly fire comes in this room and everyone will rush towards the door. So the wise man asked this question, why these problems are forced upon me, right? Why am I suffering for birth, old age, disease and death? And he also asked, कि death के बाद क्या होता है? Is death a full stop? Or is it a comma? Sentence doesn't end after a comma. Someone may say, sir, we are living in 21st century. Science is developing so fast. We have developed many things, right? So हमने प्रॉब्लम से सॉल्यूशन निकाले, ऐसा नहीं है. ओल्ड एज, बाल जब वाइट होने लग जाते हैं, हमने हेयर डाई निकाली, सो हम कलर कर लेते हैं बालों को. रिंकल्स आ जाते हैं हमारे फेस के स्किन पे, तो हम आर्टिफिशियल फेस लगा देते हैं, फेस लिफ्ट लगा देते हैं, क्रीम्स हैं, और उसके अलावा अब तो प्लास्टिक सर्जरी भी है. डिजीज, बैक पेन, स्टमक पेन, पेन किलर्स ले लेंगे, क्या प्रॉब्लम है इससे? और अगर लग रहा होगा कि पता नहीं शायद अभी हमारी डेथ आने वाली है, तो हम चले जाएंगे हॉस्पिटल जहाँ पे हमें ऑक्सीजन ट्यूब लगाया जाएगा, बचा लेंगे शायद वो हमें. बट क्या ये सारे सोल्यूशन है? So just see this picture. ये जो princess है, she is becoming attracted to this knight. The knight is so looking heroic, बड़ा heroic जैसा लग रहा है, घोड़े पे बैठा है, बड़ी सी सवारी कर रहा है, घोड़ा भी एकदम चमकता हुआ. But just see what happens when she sees the reality. He was an old man wearing a metal outfit, and the horse was also old. Only from the head and from the tail he was there, and the whole body was covered with that cloth. And now she dies. Similarly, all these problems which we have been tried to solve with science, they are actually patch-up solutions. They have not solved the problem or completely removed the problem. Like painkillers, doctors even recommend don't take too much painkillers because they are addictive. If you start taking them, then people become addicted to painkillers. Antidepressants and tranquilizers, many medicines. Are they a solution for removing stress? No, they are not actually. But they are a patch-up solution. थोड़े टाइम के लिए patch up करने के लिए. The superficial patch-up solutions cannot free us from suffering. They cannot stop old age. Michael Jackson tried to hire a team of doctors, and he wanted his face to never grow old. But did he succeed? No. Science has not eradicated disease from Earth. Diseases are still coming. और बता रहे हैं new vaccines, but हर बार भी नई disease आ जाती है. Hardly has understanding of life and death. Science has not been able to answer, okay, what is life? Science has described so much thing about life, how life is so wonderful, but what is life? And what is death? What happens after death? This is still an undiscovered area. So these types of solutions can give us entertainment, not peace of mind. Comforts, not happiness. Medicines, not health. Cosmetics, not youth. Life support systems, not life. So 1990 में हमारे टीवी बड़े थे, आज हमारे टीवी बहुत दूसरे हो गए, लेकिन आज हमारे साथ कुछ और हो गया है। हमने साइंटिफिक एडवांसमेंट तो जरूर करी है, बट प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं खत्म हुई है ना। टीवी तो एडवांस हो गया, हमारा क्या होगा? हमारे स्मार्टफोन एडवांस हो गए हैं, हमारे स्मार्टफोन स्मार्ट हो गए हैं, बट हम अपनी स्मार्टनेस खो दे रहे हैं। मतलब आज के टाइम में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को अपने पेरेंट्स का नंबर भी नहीं याद, तो वो सिर्फ फोन में सेव है। So scientific advancement provides solutions to problems? Yes, it does, but temporary. No permanent solutions. In fact, it gives rise to further problems. हम देखते हैं कि कई बार साइंस जो सॉल्यूशन लेके आती है, उससे कई और प्रॉब्लम जनरेट हो जाती है। जैसे इन अर्लियर वेदिक टाइम्स ट्रैवलिंग के लिए क्या यूज होता था? हॉर्स कैरेज। ठीक है, तो देखा गया हॉर्स कैरेज की वजह से क्या हो रहा है, तो स्पीड कम है, तो ट्रैवलिंग में थोड़ी दिक्कत होगी, तो उन्होंने इन्वेंट किया मोटर कार्स, जो पहले ब्रिटेन में इन्वेंट हुई सबसे पहले। तो उनका डिजाइन भी रिक्शा जैसा था, जिसपे एक मोटर लगी रहती थी। कार्स इन्वेंट हुई, लेटर और कार्स के डिजाइन आए, कंपनीज आए, तो हमने सॉल्यूशन तो बना लिया मोटर कार का, जो कि ट्रैवलिंग का टाइम रिड्यूस कर पा रहा है, स्पीड बढ़ रही है, कंफर्ट्स भी है, बट एनवायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स आ गई। ओजोन लेयर तक को हमने नहीं छोड़ा, ओजोन लेयर में हम चीर के बाहर निकाल दिया हमने, है ना। तो दे आर गिविंग राइज टू फर्दर प्रॉब्लम्स वी आर सीइंग। So Bhagavad Gita 13.8, this is the verse which I quoted. One who can perceive birth, death, old age, disease, these are the real problems, is in knowledge. So what is the root cause of all problems? ये चीज समझ में आ गई ना आपको, तो समझ में आ जाएगा कि शास्त्र इन प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में क्यों बात कर रहे हैं। शास्त्र न्यूक्लियर प्रॉब्लम्स या फिर साइंटिफिक एडवांसमेंट प्रॉब्लम्स की बात नहीं करते। तो अगर किसी को फोड़ा हो जाता है, बॉयल, किसी की बॉडी में बॉयल हो जाता है, तो कोई क्रीम लगा लेता है ना। और मॉडर्न क्रीम्स क्या करती है, आप जहां लगा लोगे बॉयल, वो बॉयल वहां से खत्म हो जाता है, वो एसिडिक होती है क्रीम, वो उसको फाड़ देती है और निकल जाता है। लेकिन फिर से बॉयल आ जाता है, कहीं और आ जाता है, फेस में कहीं और आ जाता है। मेरे फेस में कई क्रीम्स आ गए, वो बॉयल से फिर से आए, तो आप लोगों ने देखा वो सबने फेस किया। तो ये जो सॉल्यूशन है, ठीक है, इससे बॉयल एक जगह से तो खत्म हो गया, दूसरी जगह से नहीं हुआ। लेकिन अगर कोई आयुर्वेदिक ड्रिंक्स होती है, कुछ जैसे आज के टाइम में हम लोग भी लेते हैं, साफी वगैरह आती है, बहुत सारी चीजें मार्केट में, तो अगर आप वो पी लो तो वो क्या करती है, ब्लड को प्यूरिफाई कर देती है, और ब्लड प्यूरिफाई हो जाता है, देन कहीं बॉयल नहीं आएगा, नो मोर बॉयल्स। सो व्हिच इज अ परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन, कि क्रीम लगा ले, या फिर एक्जिमा की क्रीम लगा ले, या फिर ये कोई आयुर्वेदिक ड्रिंक पी ली। सेकंड वन, राइट, इससे रियल सॉल्यूशन मिला ना, परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन। सो उसी तरह प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन, द ट्रू हैप्पीनेस लाइज इन फाइंडिंग द ट्रू कॉज ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स। बॉडी हैज अ सोल, इज इट राइट? Soul has a body actually. Soul is the owner of this body. The soul has chosen this body. Soul को ये body दी गई थी, और soul इसकी master है। अच्छा, आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, ठीक है? आप लोगों ने मिरर में अपने आप को रोज देखते होंगे आप लोग, है ना? तो मिरर में आप लोग अपने आप को देख पाते हो रोज, है ना? How many of you say yes? How कुछ हाथ नहीं भी दिख रहे? How many of you say no? No. Okay, no one is saying no. Okay. Let me ask you. Okay. Do you see yourself in the mirror, or do you see your gross body in the mirror? Gross body. But who are you?
Soul.
You are the soul inside the body. Now I ask you again, have you seen yourself ever in the mirror? ये हमारे साथ है। हमने आज तक अपने आप को देखा ही नहीं है कि मैं हूँ कौन। हमने तो बस खाली इस मशीन को देखा है जिसको सोल चला रही है। सोल इस मशीन के अंदर है, इस मशीन की ड्राइवर है, लेकिन हमने तो आज तक अपने आप को देखा ही नहीं। तो हमारी आइडेंटिटी क्लियर होनी चाहिए हमें सबसे पहले। आइडेंटिटी क्लियर नहीं होने की वजह से ही सारी प्रॉब्लम्स है एक्चुअली। आप लोग मान लो ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हो, ठीक है, आप लोगों के पास टिकट है, ऑफलाइन में भी आपने काउंटर से ली थी या फिर आईआरसीटी से बुक करी थी, ठीक है। तो टिकट आपके पास है, लेकिन अगर टिकट में आपका नाम ही नहीं है, जब प्रिंट होने पे नाम ही नहीं आया, तो क्या होगा आपके साथ? बुरी परिस्थिति हो जाएगी आपको। या तो ट्रेन से उतार दिए जाओगे या फाइन कटेगा, नया टिकट बनेगा। तो हमारी आइडेंटिटी की बदलाव में यहाँ पे रह के और हमने सब कुछ घुमाया, सब कुछ किया, सारी तिरक लगाई, सारी मेहनत की, स्मार्ट वर्क, हार्ड वर्क, ये वर्क, वो वर्क, ये हमारी हालत हो जाएगी ट्रेन की। सो स्ट्रक्चर्स की चीज की सोल एक्चुअली बहुत सारी बॉडीज चेंज करती है। टुडे वी आर इन ह्यूमन बॉडी, बट सोल द स्ट्रक्चर सेज कि 9 लाख एक्वेटिक्स की स्पीशीज होती है, 20 लाख ट्रीज की, 11 लाख इंसेक्ट्स, 10 लाख बर्ड्स, 30 लाख एनिमल्स एंड 4 लाख ह्यूमन बीइंग्स। और ये 4 लाख ह्यूमन बीइंग्स से ही कॉन्शियसनेस की बात हो रही है। देयर आर 4 lakhs ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स। तो सोल इन सारी बॉडीज के थ्रू ट्रैवल करती है। इनका टोटल अगर आप करोगे देन आता है 84 लाख स्पीशीज। तो आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कि 84 लाख स्पीशीज, 84 लाख हो गया, राइट। सो सोल इन 84 लाख स्पीशीज के थ्रू ट्रैवल करती रहती है। Miserable cycle, miserable Ferris wheel game, the ocean of birth and death. So this is a famous verse. पुनरपि जननम पुनरपि मरणम पुनरपि जन्मे जठरे शयनम इति संसारे बहुदुस्तारे कृपाय परे पाहि मुरारे। O Murari, O Lord Krishna, I am repeatedly tossed in the waves of birth and death. I am made to be born again and again and made to die again and again. In this way, I have been occupying the womb of mothers for millions. Please kindly shower your merciful glance upon me and deliver me. Again and again. So these problems we face again. So actually, the soul is the substance and body is the shadow. जो आज हमारे सेशन का नाम है substance and shadow. Substance is the reality. The soul is the reality and body is the shadow. Is shadow our identity? No. Similarly, soul is spiritual, body is matter, and matter is shadow. So this is the next thing. If someone asks, where does the soul come from? Actually, ठीक है, soul इस संसार में, इस वर्ल्ड में सारी प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रही है, पर आई कहाँ से हुई? क्या किसने बनाया सोल को? गॉड को मन किया तो भगवान ने जाके सोचे शेप दिया ऐसी दो हाथ, ठीक है, पैर निकले, ये सोल नाउ पुश दिस सोल इन द वर्ल्ड। ऐसा हुआ क्या? नहीं। ऐसी क्या हुआ? तो सोल कहाँ से आती है? तो someone can read this? Someone having loud voice? ऐसे बोलो, माइक में बोलना, सब पीछे भी सुन जाए।
The soul originally belongs to the spiritual world.
Next.
There every word is a song, every walk is a dance. Water is like nectar, all living beings are pure. There is no old age, disease or death.
Next.
That is our real eternal home, where we can get ultimate unending happiness.
So actually the soul comes from spiritual world. हम actually spiritual world को belong करते हैं. We are spiritual, right? Soul is spiritual. So it belongs to some place which is spiritual. And the spiritual world, every word is a song. It is so deep, every word is so melodious, it appears like song. Every walk is dance. Water is like nectar, honey. All living beings are pure, no old age, disease, birth and death. That is our real eternal home, actually. This is not me saying, this is Bhagavad Gita saying. I will show you. Thus, someone asked this, हमारी लाइफ का पर्पस क्या है? इसने फीडबैक में पूछा भी था. What is the purpose of life? Our goal of life is to return back home, back to Godhead. जहाँ से सोल आई है, यानी हम आए जहाँ से. So अभी हम कहाँ आ गए हैं? हम आ गए हैं material world में. And this material world is like this prison house. So someone can read this? Anyone from this side?
The material world is like a prison house. In a prison, the state provides one with food, clothing, place to rest, medication, etc. But all under punishment to reform the criminal mentality to return to becoming an ideal law-abiding citizen.
Thank you. So, in this material world, it is compared like a prison. So, in prison, the punishment is given. But why the punishment is given? जेल का एक नाम हिंदी में और होता है, सुना है किसी ने? सुधार गृह.